guys, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tuxedo cake. So this cake is actually the other half of a bridal shower cake that I'm making for my best friend this weekend. So I already made the wedding dress cake, which you can see in the background, and this is going to be the groom's tuxedo that goes with it. So this is an 8-inch 3-layer chocolate cake, and I did crumb coat and frost it with chocolate buttercream that I made black. So if you guys need a tip on how to do that, I will put that in the show notes. So this cake is ready to go and ready to be decorated. So what I did is I cut out a bunch of little templates that are going to be our tuxedo, and so I used paper just kind of measuring against the side of the cake to ensure that I'm going to get a size that I'll be happy with. So I definitely suggest that you guys do that as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and start rolling out my fondant and getting our details on there. So I'm using my own homemade marshmallow fondant. I'll also go ahead and put that link in the show notes as well. So this is the template I have for his shirt, so I'm going to cut that out. Placing it where I think it'll look good. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Wilton dab and hold. Apply this to the back of my fondant. And this product is able to stick fondant to fondant or fondant to crusted buttercream. So now that we have his shirt on, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the lapel for his jacket. And I'm going to be using some black fondant for this. So I'm using Satin Ice. I just bought it online. You can make your own black fondant, but it's kind of difficult, so I always just buy it. So what I did is I cut out a template like this so that I could make sure the measurement was correct. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to make a line down the center so it looks like a shirt. So what I'm going to do to make the bow tie is I'm going to roll out the fondant and I'm going to cut out almost like a rectangle, or what's going to look like a rectangle. And I'm going to make kind of like an arc very cute. So now let's go ahead and give him some buttons. To make these teeny little buttons, I'm actually using a frosting tip. So I do this all the time when I'm making little tiny circles. I just use the end of it and it works perfectly. So it's a good little trick. What I'm doing right now is I'm taking a little bit of shortening on a paper towel and I'm wiping the buttons to get the cornstarch off. And I'll actually end up doing this on all of our block pieces. Okay, so now let's go ahead and give him a pocket square. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back through with just a little bit of shortening and get off all the cornstarch. And then I'm going to just pipe a border around the edge to clean it up a little bit. All right, so the very last thing I'm gonna do is pipe just a border around the bottom to give it a clean look. So I'm using black buttercream and I just have like a small star tip here. Alright guys, so our tuxedo cake is done and I think it looks super cute. I cannot wait for my friend to see these cakes at her bridal shower this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And you can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.